So we're going to cut open another watermelon here. The place that we've been getting these watermelons from, the farm, they're advertising watermelons 40 to 60 pounds. I would say this watermelon probably around 40 pounds. It's pretty massive. What do you think?
35, 40.
35, 40. Yeah. So we're going to crack this thing open. Every one we got, I think it's about our fifth one now. And fourth or fifth, they've all been excellent. So we're going to crack this one open. Here we go. Woo! Oh, so you can see, maybe the light's not great. Some nice crystallization. It's very, very like white crystals. That's the sugar. This is going to be a good one. I can already tell. I'll cut off a little piece. We'll give it a test. Look at that. Always use a good knife. Look at this guy. Nugget loves this stuff. I'll take a little taste test here. Just very little. So here we go. It's nice. Oh, is that gonna be good? That is so good. It's not even cold. It's excellent. The watermelon's been phenomenal. Best I've ever had. Oh, that's gonna be so good. In about 4 hours, I'll be tearing into that thing. It'll be ice cold by tomorrow too. I think like overnight, the watermelons get so good in the fridge. Like I just put them in overnight. They get so good. This is gonna be really, really good. But look at that. Look at that. So, want to share that with you. The fruits, the vegetables, everything. We just got some massive cucumbers out of our garden today. And with all this rain, I'll take you out. Here, let me show you what Malia just pulled out of the garden today. This is just today. These are the cucumbers that we got out today. I mean, take a look at the size of these things. I mean, they're huge. And they're delicious. No pesticides, no insecticides, nothing. There's no chemicals whatsoever on anything. Good. Really, really good food. And then today we just got rain. We just got about 2 hours of rain out here. And by the way, just picked up some of these flowers right here from Lowe's yesterday. You can see that. Some of these plants, just to kind of add something to the porch here a little bit. Thought it would look kind of nice to get something out here. But these weren't on sale, but Lowe's had some of their plants on sale yesterday, so I grabbed a bunch of them. And it's just nice to have a little contrast here, and the porch is now finished, so it's just nice to have some things out here. And I'm gonna hang some stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planters here. We'll hang, and we'll hang some more over there. And just picked up this tree and this plant too, here in the corner. Beautiful. So I really like the feel of just tropical. You know, we have the coconut tree, the banana tree, the palm trees, pardon the birds. As soon as I talk, they like to make noise. And we just got a lot of tropical plants around the house here that we just picked up, and we'll be putting those around the house. We're going to try to plant some of these. These were on sale yesterday. I know they don't look great, but they're going to be fine. That's another tropical plant. I'm going to get these in probably here in a little bit, right after that. Now that it's stopped raining, maybe we can get these in. But these are going to be absolutely beautiful. They're a little beat up right now, but they were 75% off. So we'll put them in the ground here, and they'll grow no problem. But the rain just stopped. Absolutely gorgeous. A little thunder out there. But yeah, 2 hours of rain, and things are growing. So we're gonna probably have to get back out here on the mowers shortly. Just put this little barricade up here so that Roxy could come out and play. She's been a little cooped up the last couple of weeks with all the work, so try to get her out, for a half hour at a time. And we've got a gate going up at that end, and I got another gate being made right now. 2 gates, one in the back there. And Anthony's making these up right now. They should be done. I'm hoping to see him here by next week at the latest. And then I'll have a sliding gate right there, 5 feet. That way the dogs can just kind of hang on the porch and they can't go anywhere. So, and that gives us a little bit more security, having a gate there that people just cannot just walk up to the front door if they, for some reason, got lost and came to this house. But anyways, things are green, things are growing. The watermelons have been absolutely phenomenal. These are some of the best watermelons I've ever had in my life. They're just so good. So just enjoying some of the produce from the garden, and whatever we don't get out of this garden, we stop at a farm stand, we can get something. It's just so amazing. Just the difference in food quality when you go to a local farmer. And I think it's so important. If you live in an area and you go to a local farmer, please support the local farmer. Please support the local farmer. The food is better, the quality is better, the money's going to a better place, and we need to support local businesses and local farmers, period. It's really, really important. Once they're gone, ladies and gentlemen, they're gone. They're never coming back. So we can't let them disappear like they've been disappearing for decades. Got to keep these farmers alive and going, supporting their business. And I appreciate what the local farmers do. Even the local meat producers here, the local ranches, I try to support them. I'm going to support them more than I have been. But support your local ranchers and local businesses, local farms, all of that. One of the tortoises is out there just enjoying the rain. It's just incredible. Incredible. I think it's about 75, 78 degrees right now. It got down to about 74 a little while ago, and I think it's warmed up a little bit. I don't even think it's 80 degrees right now. So nice to feel this cooler weather. I mean, honestly, I could wear a long sleeve shirt right now. It's cooled down that much. Now it might heat up a little bit. I don't know. But right now it's really, really cooled out. If the sun comes out, yeah, it's going to warm up. But right now it's probably 78 degrees out. Nice little breeze. Feels nice. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Just a little full work. Just building up drive, having to chase the prey. Chase the prey. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. 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 Good deep, full bite. Good boy. Good boy. Nice and deep. Nice and deep. Good boy. Oh, good boy. All right, good boy. So that's just building up drive. It's the prey. Building up the prey drive chase. Gets the prize. And that's what you do with a big puppy. Just build up the drive. She'll go at it real hard. She's advancing faster than fast. Oh, good hit. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Stay right there. Good boy. Good boy, Turbo. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Fast. Good boy. Oh, where's my watch? Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. It's all game. Oh, good boy. Maybe one more. It's good. Good boy. Out. Oh, good boy. That's a good bite. Good boy. Fast.
Good boy. Ooh. Ah, yes. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Fast. Deep. That's a boy right there. Oh. Oh. Good boy. Good boy. Fast. Good boy. Oh. Fast. Good boy. Good boy. Ah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good. Oh, there you go. Oh, good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. You trying? You trying? Good. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good, Rox. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Oh. Oh. Oh, good girl. Good girl. She's really worked up, frustrated from being sick. This will play her out. Frustration, frustration. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, close. Oh, good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Good girl. Us. That's a good girl. Oh. Oh, 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 good girl. Oh, 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 good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. 5-6 weeks ago till today, it's the other day. The drive is 50% better than it was 5 weeks ago. Oh, good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, 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 good girl. Oh, oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Ah, good girl. Oh, 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 oh. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, oh, good girl. Oh, 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 we'll lose it. There you go. So just got done working the dogs a little bit, a couple bites. Anyways, view from the side here, if anybody cares. Got the flower pots up or whatever you call them. We've got this little tropical plant right here. We're going to get a different pot for it, something bigger, but that's sitting in the corner. I like that. We've got plants down there, but I think these look really nice. Add a little color to the house, a little contrast. And I think these are called canna lilies, if I'm saying it right. And these will bloom orange and yellow flowers, and they'll fill this little patch in. So we'll see how they do for the rest of the summer. Wintertime, they kind of do what the banana tree does, kind of goes into hibernation. But spring and summer should look really, really nice. But all that white lattice is gone, and the house looks so much better. 7 coats of stain up here, that's finished. And there's still some little touch-ups we're going to do, but looking pretty good. Man, that was a workout just working these dogs, let me tell you. I'm sweating. It's not even that hot out, especially Turbo, man. That dog is freaking so big. What's up? You did good. You had some nice little bites on your floor pole. Turbo hitting intermediate sleeve, I guess you would call it. I say it's puppy sleeve. But good hard bites today. I've got a suit. My buddy Jim sending me a suit. It's coming up here in a couple weeks. So I'll have a suit. We'll try to get Turbo to transition. Maybe we'll put Jacob in the suit and see if we can start getting him to do some suit bites. He's still very, very young and immature, but we'll see if we can get him to do some things. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with today. All the dogs bit, and their obedience is going very, very well. So I'm happy with that. And it's going to be time to feed these guys, and we got to go back to Lowe's. I think I'll take maybe Turbo will come to Lowe's with us tonight. Get him out. He loves that store. Maybe Rural King if we have time. What's up, big boy? Some nice little bites today. Yeah. So they're hungry. They're going to sleep really, really well. And we still got to go to the store. So we'll get him out for a walk. This little girl, she's just been bent up for 2 weeks in her crate. Well, we get her out as much as we can, but now pretty much we have the yard back to normal. There's a couple little areas that we got to close up, but they're pretty good in here right now. So it's looking good. We are at Lowe's this evening. There it is. Turbo's going to come out for a little exercise, whoop, sit, good boy, stay. He likes coming to Lowe's, stay. Here, sit, good boy, okay. So we'll head out for a little exercise, take him in, sit, good boy, and call it a day. So big Turbo out tonight, making a couple stops. Yeah, one thing about these dogs, man, they are very, very protective. He watches, he's always scanning and assessing, situational awareness at all times. I mean, these dogs are not for everybody, but if you can handle a big dog, a strong-willed dog with some drive, he's definitely a breed to look at, but they are not for everybody. A lot of the workers at the house would say, like when they were up by the windows and stuff, he would get he would get a little upset at times. He doesn't like people come near the house, but we're like, we couldn't even see him. He blends in the shadows, and at nighttime you can't see him. But even in the daytime, in the house in the shadows, you can't see him. You being a good boy? You being a good boy? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah. So anyways, 78 degrees tonight, a couple hours of rain today. The evening is absolutely stunning. Still some rain clouds out there. The skies out here in Bama, really beautiful. Clouds. I just love a cloudy day. Hey, get back. Get back. Back. Turbo, back. Get back. Good boy. But yes, really beautiful skies out here. But anyways, just checking in with everybody. I don't know what we're at now. Almost 9,700 subscribers, I believe. It'd be great to get to 10,000. I want to thank everybody for coming over. If you found the channel, thanks for supporting it. If you want to support it, you want more videos of what's happening in the Deep South here, subscribe. I'm going to keep making these videos. You want to keep seeing the dogs and their journey and their workouts. Subscribe, share these videos all over the place. But absolutely beautiful, beautiful evening. Until the next one, God bless, take care, be safe out there.